Hi everyone, my name is Rishabh Sachdeva, and in this lecture we will be covering how we can merge literal value in table columns. Literal value we covered in the first part and table column in the second part. Then we will see a demo. Then we will understand the concept of alias, and then again we will see a demo of what all different options are available to us for aliasing. And then finally what all common alias mistakes a SQL developer tend to perform. Okay, so I will open the SQL Server Management Studio. So if you remember, literal values. So firstly, let me type an example of a literal value and explain. Lincoln Park. Okay, so this is one of my favorite rock band. So value, that is a value that is specified and is not returned from the database is a literal value. Okay, so let's query a table also. Let's query this table: employee resource employee, human resource dot employee, not employee dot employee, sorry. Select so I will drag a column name on my query window. Job title, what else? Marshal status, from. Actually, this is not exactly a good table to query from. Let me just erase this up and try finding a different, better. Person seems to be suitable for this example. Right here. Select first name, last name, from person dot person. Right, I will execute this one. So here's an output. Now what the demo is that we have to merge the literal value with the value returned from the table, right? So in this case we have the value returned from the table, first name, last name. Now we'll merge it with a literal. So it's very simple, just add a comma in your literal value and that's it. And you can execute this query. Okay, so now see here, we don't have a name defined to this column, right? So what we can do is we can define a new name. So to define a new name to this column, what we need to do is as followed by your new column name. So let me name it rock band. And now if I query this, I have a new name defined to this column. So similarly, suppose we have the columns in the table, means we want to define them a new name, assign them a new name. We can simply do so with the help of as keyword followed by new name. So I'll say just name. Okay, so if I run this query, it has assigned a new name. So this concept is known as aliasing, means assigning a new name to an existing column or a literal value. So there are three ways of assigning a new name, the aliasing. So three different ways. So let's see those three different ways. First one is your column name as your alias. new name, let me say new name would be better. Second one is column name space without any as keyword, simply new name. Third one is within brackets your new name equivalent to column name. So this one is the standard format of aliasing. And also it means it also enhances readability, because we can easily identify and get to know that this is a column that has been defined a new name because of the as keyword.